I'm hungry. It is time to get some breakfast going. I wish there was smell-o-vision. An official good morning. As you know by now, I am in Utah. It is a little earlier in the season than I had planned to be here. My original intention was to be in the Sierra during the month of October and hopefully do some shoulder season trips there. However, this has been the season of smoke and fire. I have definitely been dodging smoke quite a bit this summer. There are fires burning in California and Colorado, and the whole state of Wyoming has been inundated with smoke. It is still quite smoky here. However, I know that it is improved upon what I've seen over the last few days in photos. Currently, unfortunately, all across California, Oregon, and Washington, wildfires are raging, which is causing all of these states, including some states even to the east, to be inundated in smoke. I did make a quick trip down to the Sierra. I have been keeping a close eye on the smoke maps, which I've been spending a lot of time looking at lately, and it was showing that there was good air down there. I drove down. The day I arrived, it was actually pretty clear and nice. And then the day I actually started to explore, there was a bit more smoke, a bit more haze. And as the day progressed, it just got worse and worse to the point that there was zero visibility. I could actually smell the fire. I tried staying the night in Bishop at a BLM campground, and thought maybe when I woke up in the morning that it might be clear, maybe the winds had shifted, but it was even worse. My whole camper smelled like campfire. I knew that I needed to get out of there quickly. My lungs were starting to hurt. Just wasn't a healthy place to be. I did get a little bit of footage though, that first half of the first day that I started exploring, and this is what I saw. After leaving the Sierra, I decided to make a quick 2-night trip back home since I wasn't too far away, and then I head here to Utah. It's a little bit warmer than I would like. It's in the lower 90s, but it is going to start cooling off in the coming week. Utah is just beautiful. I love it here. I had planned to come here anyways. I'm just a little bit early. So today we're just hanging out at camp. I need to clean up the inside of this rig. It's a mess, a lot of dust and dirt, and just enjoying relaxing for the day after a big day of travel yesterday. This task is almost a full-time job, especially when you live in the dirt about 95% of the time. Taking a break from chores for a little walk around camp. It was a bit of a drive to get up here, kind of steep, but I have these amazing views. I'm kind of on this mesa or plateau, and yeah, it's really pretty. Sage. Smells so good. Cheese makes everything better. Well, that is going to do it for this day at camp. The sun has set and I am ready to chill with some Netflix. Stay tuned for some adventures from Utah, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.